Emma's emotional day. Emma's mom hugged her and said, "Good morning, dear. I love you." Emma felt loved. Emma sat down to play, but her favorite toy was broken. Emma felt sad. Emma went to grab a cookie, but her brother had eaten them all. Emma felt angry. Emma's mom gave her a cone of ice cream. Emma felt better. Emma felt happy. Emma had nothing to do, so she lay on the floor. Emma felt bored. Emma went to the park. She sat down on a bench. Emma felt calm. Emma saw some kids playing, but she didn't know how to join them. Emma felt nervous.
Do you want to play with us?
The kids asked. Emma jumped with joy. Emma felt excited. They passed the ball to Emma. Emma kicked the ball very high. Emma was surprised. Emma waved them goodbye. Emma walked back home. Emma felt content.